Imagine standing at a crossroads, where every choice feels like a leap into the unknown. You take one step forward, and suddenly, you bump into someone who changes everything. Coincidence? Or is it something deeper? Synchronicity suggests that these moments are not mere accidents but meaningful connections, woven into the fabric of our lives. What if every chance encounter holds a hidden significance, waiting for us to uncover its mystery? Consider the Apollo 11 moon, landing on July 20, 1969. This monumental event was not just about technology. It was a moment of synchronicity in human history. Science, politics, and culture converged to create a shared global experience. This united millions across continents and cultures. Tom Wolfe's The Right Stuff chronicles how individual aspirations aligned with collective efforts. This alignment helped achieve this monumental goal. Andrew Chaikin's A Man on the Moon dives deeper into the human stories behind the technology. It reveals how synchronicity played a role in their success. The unexpected insight here is profound. The moon landing was as much about human connection as it was about scientific progress. While many viewed it as a race against time and technology, it also represented a unifying moment for humanity. It sparked conversations around dinner tables worldwide and inspired generations to dream bigger. Over 600 million people watched Neil Armstrong take his first steps on the moon. This shared experience prompts reflection on our collective consciousness and raises questions about what it means to be part of something greater than oneself. In those fleeting moments of awe and wonder, we were reminded that we are all connected by our dreams and aspirations. We often think of synchronicity as mere coincidence. But what if these moments are not random at all? Imagine two strangers meeting by chance at a coffee shop. They share a brief conversation about their dreams, unaware they both have the same goal, to start a non-profit for underprivileged children. This encounter seems serendipitous, yet reveals an unseen connection shaped by their shared experiences and struggles. The twist? Their meeting was orchestrated by mutual friends who had been trying to connect them for months. It begs us to consider how many other connections lie just beneath the surface of our daily lives. In this world, where every moment feels random, what if each coincidence is merely a thread in a tapestry we have yet to see? How many patterns lie hidden in your own life, waiting for you to notice? Each interaction could be an invitation from the universe, a nudge toward understanding your purpose, or connecting with someone who will change your life forever. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, how often do we pause to consider what truly drives our choices? Are we merely following paths laid out before us, or actively seeking out those moments of synchronicity that can lead us toward fulfillment? Reflect on your own experiences. Have you ever met someone who seemed to appear at just the right time? Perhaps they offered advice when you needed it most, or inspired you with their story when you felt lost. These encounters can feel like divine interventions, reminders that there is more at play than meets the eye. Share your thoughts below, and let's dive deeper together into this exploration of interconnectedness and meaning in our lives. What stories do you carry within you? What threads connect your journey with others? Let us unravel these mysteries together.